Hello and welcome to SudoKanard. This puzzle is a Blackout Sudoku. It was featured in round 4 of Vietnam Sudoku tournament. It was a very hard round, but this puzzle was solvable, although I did not solve it during the contest. So it's called Blackout Sudoku, and the rule is basically that of standard Sudoku, except that you see there are shaded cells, and those cells are not supposed to contain digits. So the standard rule is replaced by just no digit can be repeated in a column, in a row, or in a 3x3 box. So those must contain 8 different digits, and that's all. So if I recall correctly, the beginning of the solve is just writing candidates. So you see that in this row, we need, or no, not we need, but the remaining digits are 3, 6, 7, and 9. So because of 3 and 6, those must be 7 and 9, and then really must be those digits. This can't be a 3, so that has to be a 6. This here has to be a 2 or an 8. And you see that one of the 2 digits, 2 or 8, is missing from this box. Here we need digits from 2, 4, 5, and 7. So this is 2 or 7. This is 2 or 4. This is 2 or 5. In this box we need digits from 2, 3, 4, and 6. So this is 4 or 6. 2, 3 or 4, and I type all candidates here. I hope some of them will be eliminated soon. And the interesting part in here is that this 8 does not appear here, so we don't have any 8 on this row. But only one digit is missing, and 6 is not here, so 6 has to be here on this row. And those must be 4 and 9. So 8 is the only digit missing from here. 6, 8, and 7 do not appear here. But only 2 of them can appear here, and it's not 8. So those are 6 and 7. And so here we must have digits. It's not 8, so there must be 1, 4, and 9. So that's 9, that's 4, that's 1. That's not 4. This must be from 2, 3, and 5 on this row, but there's a 2 on the column. 2 can't appear here, can't appear here, so the missing digit here is a 2 in this box. So 5 has to appear somewhere, and because of this 5, 5 is here, and we need 1 and 3. Not in this cell, so that's not a 3, that's not a 6. In this column, we still need digits from 2, 4, 5, but there's already a 2 and a 4 in this row. So 2 and 4 are excluded from here, but one of them has to appear here. And the other digits are 3 and 6, so that's a 3, that's a 6. Those are from 7, 8, and 9, so that's 7 or 8, 7 or 9. Those 2 digits in the column must be from 3, 7, and 8. This 7 here resolves the 7, 9 pair. This can't be 8, so it has to be a 4. That's a 2, and that's a 5 up there. In this column, we still need digits from 2, 6, 8, and 9. So this is 6 or 8, this is 6 or 9. So we have by values here. On this row, we need digits from 2, 7, 8, and 9. So this is 7 or 9, and we get a 7, 9 pair in this column. So I say 2, 7, 8, or 9. So this is 2, 8, or 9. 3 does not appear here, so 3 is not anywhere in here. So 3 is the digit missing from this box. So we will have 2 is not here, sorry about that. We must have a 1 and a 6 somewhere. 1, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 6 has to appear somewhere, and 1 as well. This column, considering the 7-9 pair, we need digits from 1, 3, 5, and 6. So this is 1, 3, or 6, and this is 1 or 6. And 5 is the missing digit in the column. So all digits here are bound to appear. This row doesn't have a 4, so this is the 4th digit from them. And that's not a 6, so this is 1, 3, or 8. And there is a 1 among those two digits. Down there, we know there won't be a 5. So the possible values are the same as these. So this is 3 or 9. This is 3, 6, or 7. So what do we see? In this column, we won't have a 2. So 1, 3, 8, and 9 are the values. So this is 1 or 8. And knowing this, we must have a 3 somewhere in here. And we can remove this 3, this 3. We get a 1, 6 pair here. So that's a 3, and that's a 1. This removes this small 1 here. This 3 is not here, so there's no 3 in this column. So the values for this are 6, 7, and 8. So this is fully pencil marked. And now we must find ways to eliminate digits. And I'm seeing this, something that I didn't see during the contest, which is those 3 digits which form a Y-wing, an XY wing, not sure about the terminology, and which is that this cell here serves as a pivot between those. Well, the color is not good. Let's say we choose this. That's better. So which is that this has to be a 6 or a 7, obviously. If this is a 7, then this is a 9. And if this is a 6, then this is a 9. So in both cases, one of them at least is a 9. And this can't be a 9. So this has to be a 3, which gives this 7, and this 6, and this 1, and this 8, and this 7, and this 9. This 6 here gives this 9, and then it bounces to the top of the grid. That's a 6. This 7 gives this 2, 3 and 4, and 4 here. 8 down there gives the 9 and the 1, and that's an 8, which gives this 2. And this 8 here gives the 3 and the 6. So no triggering here because that's the grid that was featured on the website in competition mode, which means that you can't do something like undo. You can't Control plus Z back to what you typed earlier. And you don't have the trigger, meaning that, hey, fantastic, you solved the puzzle, but I think I did. So, very nice puzzle with not only just looking for the missing digits, there had to be some Sudoku logic in it in the end. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon on SudoKanard.